Hello iTalk UTalk viewers. In this video, let's check out what is the total GDP of India and what sectors contribute to the total GDP. To begin with, what is the total GDP of India? It is 2.72 lakh crores American dollars. That gets converted to 2 crore 4 lakh crores of Indian rupees. What are the three sectors that contribute to the GDP? Those are agriculture, industry and service. Agriculture sector contributes up to 16%, industry contributes to 31% and service contributes to 53% of the total GDP. Agricultural sector is further bifurcated into four sectors. Those are crops, livestock, forestry and logging, finally fishing and aquaculture. Crops contribute to 20 lakh 40,000 crore Indian rupees, that is 10% of the total GDP. Livestock 8 lakh 16,000 crore rupees. Forestry and logging 2 lakh 44,800 crore rupees. Finally, fishing and aquaculture 1 lakh 84,000 crore rupees. Agriculture sector has seen a deep dive in its development when compared to 1950. Agri sector has contributed 51% in 1950 to the total GDP, but in 2020 it is just 16%. Next, let's check out industry sector that contributes 31% to the total GDP. There are four categories: mining and quarrying, manufacturing, electricity, gas, water, and finally construction. Mining and quarrying counts to 6 lakh 32,400 crores. Manufacturing 36 lakhs 72,000 crore rupees, that is 18% of the total GDP. Next is electricity, gas and water, that counts to 4 lakh 28,400 crores, and finally construction, that counts to 16 lakh 11,600 crores of rupees. Manufacturing can be further break down into 5 different businesses. First one, food related products, tobacco. Next, textile, apparel and leather products. Third, metal related products. Fourth, machinery and equipments. Fifth being others. Food product and tobacco contributes 3,26,400 crores. Textile, apparel and leather products contribute 5,10,000 crores. Metal related products contribute to 4,89,600 crores. Machinery and equipments 8,16,000 crores and others 15,30,000 crores. Looking at the growth of industry sector since 1950, it is more than double the size as it was in 1950. In 1950, it was 14%. In 2020, it is 31%. Let's check out the biggest contributor, service sector. Under service sector, we have trade, hotel, restaurants, transport, communication, storage, financial and professional services, including real estates, and social and personal services, out of which hotels, restaurants count to 24 lakh 88,800 crores, which is nothing but 12% of the total GDP. Transport and communication counts to 13 lakh 87,200 crore of rupees, and financial, professional services, real estate counts to 43 lakh 86,000 crores of rupees, that is 21.5% of the total GDP. Finally, social and personal services, that counts to 25 lakh 50,000 crores. The contribution from service sector was 33% in 1950. In 2020, it is 53%. That's a good growth. In the past 70 years, agriculture has seen a steep dive, but the other two sectors, industry and service, they have seen a good development and growth. Now, let's check out the state-wise contribution to the GDP. Maharashtra holds the first place, 15.7% of contribution. Next comes Tamil Nadu, 10.3% of the total contribution. Third place, Gujarat, 9.2%. Fourth place, Karnataka, 8.8%. Fifth rank, Uttar Pradesh, 8.7%. Sixth place goes to West Bengal, 7.2%. Seventh to Rajasthan, 5.5%. Eighth place to Telangana, 5.4%. Ninth place to Andhra Pradesh, 5.3%. And 10th place goes to Kerala, 4.7%. The rest of the states contributes to almost 20% of the total GDP. I hope the video was informative and you liked it. Please do subscribe and share the video. Please put in your comments as well in the comment section.